Yep, good old Brooks in here, a little hiking footage. Finally making my way to the crest of this thing. A long hike up. Red Rock Canyon out there. Southwest Las Vegas. Doing some scouting here. About as far as the bus gets is way down there. Treacherous hiking up here. Worth it though. Nice view of sundown, going to be an excellent view of the lights. Plenty of flat spots to stay the night. Nobody's coming up here to bother me. So, we will march on to the top, over and out. Oh, good old Brooks in here. Final take, Southwest Las Vegas, hiking the outskirts of the town about as far as the bus goes. About an hour hike to get up here. Plenty of places that are flat to hide for the night. Tip of the iceberg on the light show that goes on all night long here. Little footage. You got development versus Mother Nature here. Sun setting, Red Rock Canyon that way. Back around. Some steep terrain to get up here. Loose rocks and such, all kinds of fun. Nice exercise. Over and out from Las Vegas, Nevada. Brooks checking in here where it's a really pretty night over here above Las Vegas. Catching the moonrise, watching the lights. Really beautiful city from up here at least. Anyway, over and out. It's Brooks checking in from his hammock on a real pretty night, watching the lights twinkle from above the city of Las Vegas, Nevada. Quite a view from up here. Enjoying the stay in the hammock. I wouldn't want to be many other places. A lot of lights. City of lights. The moon has been rising up. And that has been quite fun to watch. But I just can't get over how these lights twinkle. It's just crazy how they twinkle like that. Like I'm sure this camera doesn't even show anything for that. Anyway, over and out from above Las Vegas, Nevada. Stash myself in the hammock and go to bed, I guess.